That's left.
Oh, baby!
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's me, Packy, and today we have challenger Brent Bowers on the channel. So I will be paying him $100 if he can beat me with a 20-pound bowling ball challenge where every other frame you have to switch weights of your bowling ball. The two weights of your bowling ball have to add up to 20 pounds. I'm using a 14-pound and a 6-pound.
12 and 8.
A 12.
Oh, sorry, I got 2 10s.
As always, we got a little bit on the line for Brent here. Let's get to bowling. Strategy play. 6-pounder in the first frame. That way I can end the 10th with the 14. Other strategy play.
That rack look okay for that 6-pounder?
What'd you say?
The rack look all right for that 6-pounder?
Yeah, no, the key with the 6-pounder is to go Brooklyn, because I don't think you can strike it in the pocket. Oh, I hit the pocket.
Oh, whoa.
The key with the 6-pounder is to go Brooklyn, because I don't think you can strike it in the pocket.
That was a pretty good shot.
I don't think you can strike it in the pocket. Misses the pocket, misses the Brooklyn, hits the pocket and strikes. Brent with a little bit of a strategy play here. What's your strategy on the 10-pounder? I'll let you bowl first, go ahead.
To keep it as slow as I can. Oh boy.
The spare would be easier with the 10-pound ball, would it not?
Yeah, well, you gotta get it there.
Okay, so here's my question for you. Why 2 10-pound balls?
Because I can't fit in an 8 and I'm not two-handed.
What did you say?
I need my thumb. I'm a thumb user.
And the light balls you can't stick in there.
Correct. That's why they pay me the big bucks.
Today's video is sponsored by Aura. Aura is a digital safety solution that protects me from identity theft and other online threats. Identity theft costs US citizens $56 billion in 2020, and I know I certainly don't want to be a part of that statistic. So what Aura does is they actually send me a notification to my phone anytime that any of my personal information is published on the dark web. I also use Aura to monitor my credit scores from all 3 of the major credit bureaus. I will know quickly if anybody has any of my credit card information, and I can take care of the problem before anything gets out of control. You guys can get a free 14-day trial at aura.com/houseofbowling. That's aura.com/houseofbowling, and the link is going to be down below in the description. Our world has never been more connected, but I know I can keep my information safe using Aura, and I know you guys can too. All right, now let's get back to bowling.
I mean, the spare technically is easier with a 14-pound ball. And I do get buckets. Throwing 14, unless you are trying to stay away from injury, silly.
Oh, you do long time.
That's why you throw straight at them.
It's gonna be all
That's
right.
why you shoot your spare straight, kids. Okay, now
All right.
we need the 8-bagger. Yeah, baby.
Go!
Wow, what a break. Did you switch balls on that one? You just throw the same ball the whole time, I'll switch.
Well, see, there's 2 larges here, and I can fit my thumb in this large, but I can't seem to get my thumb in that large.
Seems like it might be drilled differently.
I met her. Wow, that's a lot of 9.
Okay, we can make that. Maybe.
30 pounds worth of pins.
30 pounds worth of
That
pins.
ball struggles to get through there.
30 to 35.
It looks like it struggles to get off the back of the deck. 35. It's closer to 35 pounds.
All the oil that's probably soaked in over the years.
No, they're 3.5 pound pins.
So then it's 35 pounds.
3 pound 4 ounces to 3 pound 6 ounces, I think, is the range
Yeah.
that they're supposed to be in. Wow, wait. I don't know why you don't take that thing with you on tour.
The spare percentage is high. I just get a,
How many times have we said Packy needs to drill it's only 6 pounds?
I have my own 8-pounder. It's an 8-pound The House bowling ball. Please tell Brunswick that I need a spare ball. Strike!
Nope. Got it going a little right to left. A little early friction.
I'm not mad about that. I could be saving myself $100 here. I bet, you know what you should try and do here?
Started the Indiana Jones whistle.
Me, I started it right when I walked in, and then Brent's done it the whole time since. Touch them all? Wow.
Okay, all right, that's as close to a pocket shot. What's my rev rate with that bad boy?
Huge. I don't know if it's higher or lower,
But it's going so fast.
so it's got to be higher.
Oh, trusted that one.
Yeah,
And Pack takes the lead.
here's the thing. If I get lined in with the 14, I think I can strike consistently with it. Spare balls look good in this building. Shout out Richard Paul III for shooting 792 last week with his plastic ball. Oh no!
Huh.
Got to get it off the hand first.
Man, I can't. It looks like it's hooking really early. I can't tell.
Because I want you to win your $100 back, my first shot with the 6-pounder, I threw across the middle of the lane, and it hooked the second it touched the lane.
Yep.
And then I moved about 15 left, and it kind of just set up to the pocket real nice. I did try and go Brooklyn when I did that, but. Is there a change of strategy that you need here?
I'm afraid to leak it right.
Why don't you just go over it?
I don't know.
Actually, you know what? Stay right where you
Yeah.
are, okay?
Good luck on your 6-pound attempt.
Okay, thank you. I thought Brooklyn for sure was the play. Maybe that's too Brooklyn.
The only reason the 10-pin went is because the ball came off the sidewall. You got it. It has to. The ball went in front of the 6.
I guess you're right. I guess you're right.
Very nice.
A little bit of a cutter.
Very nice.
Little
Very,
cutter.
very nice.
You need to cutty. Are you going right? I see you.
I don't know.
I see you making some small steps over there towards the right. Go. All right.
That was close, but it does want to pick up early. That's not intentional. Oh boy. Golly. That's bad. Maybe if I'd stop focusing on whistling and focus on bowling. Probably has urethane additive. Oh, come on. Okay.
That would have been massive. Much less confident on the spares with
I was
a
saying,
14-pound ball.
do you hook this one? Is that a slow hook this one, or?
Probably. My fingers, the problem is my fingers don't fit in the ball well enough for me to like be confident throwing it straight.
Yeah, let's keep talking about you missing this.
So I'm gonna go straight at this and just prove you wrong.
Straight at it.
I'm gonna go straight at it.
United States Bowling Congress rule says you have to use all the holes.
All right, I actually have been using all holes in the 14.
You thief.
Am I in the 14? I have. This one's for you. All right,
Oh,
straight at it.
Come on. Oh,
Straight at the left gutter.
okie dokie. Okie dokie.
And I want you to slow down that tape and check and see if my thumb was in the ball, Brent. We got Indiana Jones over here. Huh. A change of strategy, one might say.
It had a chance to strike.
Are you just hoping I get unlucky enough with the 6 to leave a split? Open the door back up
I'm
for
just
you?
staying alive here, okay?
Are you trying to survive or are you trying to thrive? Are we surviving?
I'm
or
just
thriving?
surviving, my man.
We're not thriving.
One
we're
day
surviving.
after another.
I'm thriving.
One foot in front of the other.
Right.
Oh, come on. The pressure's getting to me. You don't drink, buddy?
I will take one large chocolate milk.
I'll fix you a nice glass of chocolate milk after we get done hanging my Christmas lights.
It's fine with me. Could you get me one? Wow. And could it be hot chocolate milk? It does go in front of that 6. It's hard. It's hard to get that angle. I thought Brooklyn for sure was the play. No longer think that.
You threw a really good first ball
Oh,
in the first frame.
I was trying to go Brooklyn and I was misaligned. And I just didn't think that was happening twice. What?
Wow.
I even hit that one twice.
I heard it. We're gonna have to figure something out here.
Packy is coming to his own on these ridiculous challenges.
Yeah, I've recently decided to focus more and try and win them intentionally. Oh, big wheel. Same leave.
Should have gone with the 12 and the 8. The 14, or I could strike with the 14.
Like I said, if I get lined in with the 14, you could the last one could have 5-10 if I was throwing a 10-pound ball. But I almost struck. You're really ripping onto the thing. Some dust came out of the ball.
It came from your shoe on your
From my
last shot.
shoe?
I think it fell out of your shorts.
Some lint straight from my belly button. A strike here makes it hard to win.
Yeah, I need a split.
Okay.
I need some opens. It's 2 makeables. Back-to-back jacks. And you're breaking them up.
Okay. I tried to get that one to peel a little more. It did. Oh no. It hurts my fingers to put my thumb in the ball because they're all like torqued sideways. I need more side pitch in that ball. I'm gonna drill my own 14.
Throwing 14, unless you are trying to stay away from injury, silly.
I'm gonna drill my own 14.
Oh, man. Oh, doggone it. Ding dong. Ding dong. Just bring me on the channel to use me and abuse me. Oh, this one doesn't stand a chance.
Yo.
Both those pairs. I don't practice this as much as you do. Can I get a one time? Had to have it. Brings the count back into play and the strikeout. Now both sides strikes out, we're good. Go to another roll off.
What if I make
Your
it?
best shot's getting the 6 to bounce out.
Getting the actual ball to bounce out?
It's a dead ball. Oh,
I tried to hit it twice, get the ball to really come back onto the deck. If we both strike out, it's a roll-off. Oh, that's close.
ah! Ah!
Oh,
I liked it.
oh no.
I know.
No. It's okay. I don't hate it, but I hate it for you. I love it for me. Oh, chance.
Oh, shucks.
What do I need here?
You talked me into these carnival games.
I need 7. 8 to win.
Don't get them all with one shot. Come on now.
Counts. Count it. I'm gonna give him a chance. I'm gonna give him a chance to earn it. Because I don't think he can double. You have 1 strike and 9 shots.
If I were to do this again, I would not bowl with 2 10-pound balls. Let me just save everybody some time at home.
It's going to be an epic double.
Yeah, but after he did that,
Hey, good luck. It is, I know it might not feel like a win, but it might feel like a win when you don't.
the internet's not going to call this a win. The internet's going to make it very clear that his liberal heart felt pity on my soul, and he just All right.
This one's just think of Liz when you get this double here.
Am I
okay?
still trying to hook it, or am I just throwing it hard? Okay. Come on. Come on. That wasn't too bad.
I think he's gonna double.
That was a pretty good shot.
Your last 3 shots have been very good. If you leak this a little bit either way, though, it's got no chance. Leak it to the right, you stand a chance. Leak it to the left, no chance. That's left.
Oh, baby. Oh, boy. I will take your charity, sir.
And now, you gotta get 5.
Head pin. Head pin. I mean, why would I change anything?
It's not hooking.
Call it. I'll take it.
Thank you guys for watching and tuning in to the 20-pound bowling ball challenge. You guys try this on your own at home. Go to your local bowling alley. Just use some house balls like we did and let us know what you shoot. High score right now, what was it? 155? 155. Let us know down below in the comments if you think you can beat 155. And also let us know down below if you guys have any more fun challenges for us. This one was purely thought up with my brain, but your guys' brains are a lot more powerful than mine, so
No
drop
doubt.
it down below. Because there's a gazillion of them. Drop it down below in the comments and let us know. Thank you guys for watching, and until the next one, peace.
They're also smarter than you.
Agreed. Agreed.